Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl & Company. Today we've got our hands on some exact contour floor liners by Husky Liners, and we're putting them into Tacoma. These liners are perfect for protecting the floor of your vehicle while still maintaining the factory look. So let's check it out. Here's a fun fact. Earl & Company has been in business since 1952, and we were actually one of Husky Liners' first customers here in Dallas, Texas. The exact contour floor liners are designed to fit the contours of your vehicle's floorboard. Each floor mat is precisely cut and manufactured to fit the specific year, make, and model of your vehicle. So Husky Liners implemented a new floor liner retaining clip system for the passenger side. In order to install this retaining clip system, there's two retaining clips. Pre-fit your new exact contour floor liner to your vehicle. Insert the screw-in carpet retaining screws into the bottom of the exact contour where the holes are at. Press down on the liner to pre-mark the carpet screws into the carpet. Screw the carpet clips into the carpet with a flat blade screwdriver of flatheads, and then press your exact contour liners over the top of the carpet and screw in the posts. So the rest of the Husky Liner floor liner install is pretty much self-explanatory. For the back seat floorboard, you just drop the mat in and go. And for the front seat, you drop the mat in and lock in the floor mat retention post, and that's it. These bad boys utilize your vehicle's factory floor mat retention posts through these two holes on the driver's side, and specifically designed stay-put nibs to prevent any kind of shifting, no matter how hard you send it. On the top of the liner here, you'll notice raised ridges, and on the side of the liner, there's an extra raised ridge that runs along the door jamb of your vehicle. Both features are designed to collect any kind of liquid or dirt that would normally ruin your factory floor mats. So today we're going to test out how well these ridges trap liquid. So let's do it. We brought a cup of water today to test out how well these ridges help trap liquid. So let's go ahead and dump the water on it. Look, see how it dumps right down into the ridges. And it's got a nice spot for the water to sit just in case you're traveling down the road and you don't have a chance to stop and clean it up. And there's a nice surface right here above the ridges where the water doesn't sit, where you can put your foot or your shoe just in case you're in an emergency where you can't stop, you're on the highway, driving down the road. Then when you get to your destination, it's really nice because you keep your shoe dry. And when you get to your destination, you just pick it up, pull it out of the car, dump it out like so, dry it off, and you're ready to go. So, not only do exact contour floor liners prevent liquid from spilling onto your floor, but because they're made of rubber, they're super easy to clean. If you've ever owned a carpet floor mat like I have, you know how difficult it is to clean these things without a carpet shampoo machine. I recall countless times of beating up my carpet mats at the car wash just to get the dust or dirt out, and stuck on candy like this is a never-ending battle. With Husky Liners, all you need to do is remove the liner from your factory retention post, hose it down, dry it off, and put it back in the vehicle. So to summarize, exact contour floor liners by Husky Liners protect your vehicle's carpet from everyday life. They make your life easier when it comes to cleaning and will help retain your resale value of your vehicle. These liners are a premium option that are sure to protect your vehicle from any kind of mess and come backed by a lifetime guarantee against cracking and breaking. Thanks for watching today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Hey, we recently noticed that a large percentage of our viewers, that's you, are not subscribing to our channel. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. It's really easy. Just hit that red button. It will help us out a lot and allow us to keep making videos. Hey, as always, remember to tune in every Friday for more truck accessory related content like this. See y'all next week. And we were actually one of Husky Liners' first customers here in Dallas. And stuck on candy like this is a never-ending battle. These bad boys utilize your vehicle's factory... These bad boys utilize your vehicle's factory floor mat retention post